Hi guys, I'm Clinton, and on Passing It On, we try to provide you with the most amount of value possible. Now, most of our viewers are between the ages of 25 and 44. So you guys have grown up enjoying your grandmother's recipes. You have the desire to carry these dishes forward, and it's been our pleasure to help you by providing the recipes for them. Now, the question is, how else can we help you? So many of you guys are leaving the nest. You guys have to make it on your own. You have to be responsible adults now. And now you find that you're looking at things like appliances instead of PlayStations. Okay? And so what we've decided is we are going to start doing product reviews. So we will be looking at the Logic Personal Blender. It's reasonably priced. However, is it worth it? So what we're going to do is, this is not a paid promotion. We are going to purchase it. Right? We're going to get it. We are then going to unbox it. We're going to show you what's in there. We'll try it out on a few recipes and tell you if it's worth it. So if you guys like this idea and you have any suggestions, please let us know. You can DM. If you use a WhatsApp, you will be coming straight through to me, not Rina. And or you can leave a comment, and we look forward to your feedback. All right, see you soon.